Hello everyone, this is Candice. Today I will introduce Huidu 3-in-1 video processor VP210. VP210 is a super cost-effective LED display controller. It integrates synchronous sending card, video processor, and UDIX playback function with powerful video signal receiving and processing capabilities. It has 2 gigabit Ethernet port outputs. The maximum control range is 1.3 million pixels. The maximum width is 3,840 pixels, and the height is 1,920 pixels, which is suitable for the control of small and medium LED display screens, and standard Wi-Fi module. So it can support wireless control and can use mobile app LED art to control it. VP210 supports HDMI, USB, CVBX, DVI, and VGA 5 signal inputs, and can support arbitrary switching of multiple signals, which can adapt to the application requirements of different scenes. At the same time, the USB interface supports UDIX to directly play video and picture files in various mainstream formats. In addition, VP210 also can support audio inputs and outputs. So if you are interested in VP210 video processor and want to learn more details, welcome to contact with us.